What's up YouTube? Today video we're gonna reset some light. The maintenance required flashing light on the Honda Accord. We're gonna go ahead and open the switch. We're gonna get the car running. You see that one right there? Maintenance required. Okay, how are we gonna reset that one? I already did the oil change. Way to reset that one, we're gonna do these steps. We're gonna close the switch off. You're gonna hold this one down. We're gonna hold the trip down, all the way down. While pressing that one, you're gonna open the switch. Then you're gonna wait for 10 seconds, and then the light should clear. Let me see if I can put the cell phone down here. I'll set it in here. Okay. There the switch is off. Oh shit. Switch off. Pressing that one down. Open switch. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we release that one off. Let's start the car. And there, your lights stop flashing. That's how I reset the oil change, or the oil life, or the maintenance required on the Honda Accord. This Honda Accord is 2005. Same applies for 2001, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same thing. So again, you close this with the car off. This one is the trip button. Push that one down. You leave that one pressing down. Open the switch. You hold that one for 10 seconds. Release. And then you open the switch or start the car. And then light should be clear. See, that's the light. Maintenance required. Turn the car on. The car is on. And the light is gone. Thank you for watching.